Hello everyone, at last I've got an update to my workshop. First, smallest package is the 5 microchips with the BIOS 24 series, which is supported by the programmer, which is came, and additionally to everything is came element checkup tool, the cheapest one. However, I hope it will be useful in any case. So let's look at it. First, I'd like to open the programmer. It's EZP 2019 Plus USB high-speed programmer. Support 24, 25, 26 and 93 series chips. What we have in here, it's a clip to connect the microchip directly on the board without desoldering it out. Then next, pack with different adapters to the microchips. I don't know, here it is visible, with the pins to solder it as I wish. The cable USB type A to type B, the standard one, and the programmer itself, here it is, with the functionality to copy from one microchip to another, just without a computer, by giving a power, and it will just copy paste it from one chip to another. Adapter, so I'd like to say, what is this? It is OTS 21.127.04. From 8 pins to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 to 16, just for simple attachment the microchips. Here's the first one. Second one, most probably it is for the SOP8 200 209 MI, or what is this in here? Let me see. Mil 200 209 mil. And the smallest one is to the smallest microchips. It is for SOP8 150 millimeters. So here it is, and this one, let me find on the board. It's nothing on the board, only pin 1 marked in here, so we can see it in here. In any case, is for the EEPROM with 16 pins. And the finally an adapter. Oh no, it's not finally, there is a lot of different things there. It's an adapter to the for the programming microchips 1.8 volts. So this one is 3 volt, if I'm not mistaken, 3.5, something like, and this one is to program the 8. The first one is in here, and first one is in here. So we are placing it like this, locking, and then unlocking here, placing the chip, or directly if it is deep, or if it is SMD, we can use one of these adapters to connect there and program it by 1.8 volts. So basically it's a divider. However, I'm not sure what this microchip is doing here. Anyway, I will check it in internet. We'll see. So here it is. More More adapters, even more than I've expected. Okay, good. And the CDR with the drivers, etc. software. Installation of the drivers and software for this programmer you can find in a lot of different videos on the YouTube, so I will not do this video. Here it is, the programmer. Next, the microchips to program it. Let's open it. Yeah, here it is, and it's supposed to be 24S8. Let me see. No, it's not possible to read out of it without the lens or microscope. I don't have it right now with me here. Okay, I will not take it. So in any way, it's 5 microchips. If I will burn, I will change to mine, because I never used the programmers yet. Never even tried. And one of the mostly weighted device is this one. Here we have a connection to the battery, 9 volts, and here is the pin locker, let's say with the numbers 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 pin locking, so it can check the transistors, double diodes, and what else we can check, three pins, what is using also. Many elements using, just cannot recall from the memory. Ouch, it's broken. I hope it's not dead. I hope that it's not dead, because it came broken with the broken glass in here. Oh, it will be sad to wait so long and get it broken. Okay, we'll check it later. We'll see, is it working or not. So here it is, all the stuff which is came, and to be continued.